Start your business under $100. Hey everyone, wanna start your own business but worried about the cost? In this video I'm going to show you how you can launch a business for under $100. Plus, I have an exclusive code to help you get started. Let's dive in. First things first, select a platform that fits your business idea. There are plenty of affordable options for hosting your website or online store like Shopify, Gumroad, or Etsy, where you can start for even less than $100. Look for platforms that offer free trials or discounts to minimize your upfront costs. For example, Shopify offers a free plan for 3 days and then you can pay $1 for the first 2 months before actually paying for the whole subscription. If you're selling physical products, consider starting small with limited stock or even dropshipping if you don't have the product. This way, you avoid the cost of buying large quantities of inventory. For digital products, the costs are even lower. Just create and upload. Now, here's the exciting part. Use the code Tapswap to save even more when signing up for certain platforms or services. It can help you cut down costs even further so that you can stay well within your $100 budget. And there you have it. Starting a business doesn't have to break the bank. Check the video description for all the links and offers. Thanks for watching and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.